watch mission and another unboxing. As you can tell by the intro, this one is from Singapore, from Zelos. So let's open it up here, see what we've got. This one took a good, 2 months to get to me. I was checking the shipping every single day that I could. Alright, so to begin with, we just have a kind of a cardboard finishing over a wood box. It's pretty stiff in there. Okay. It's a nice wood box. It's not quite like what we just saw in the Travis not too long ago, but it is a pretty cool case. The wood here is not the best finish, but I kind of like how it's rough. But, yeah, definitely a keeper. Not going to throw that box away. All right, so the leather pouch is very nice. It feels very good and soft. I'm sure I'll use this for many things. We'll worry about that later. Alright, there we go. So this is the Slate Blue all titanium Swordfish 40. And boy, I really like this. Little pouch. This is cool. Their warranty card, kind of slippery with the gloves. Sorry, I always wear gloves, guys. I don't like when reviewers don't wear gloves. I don't need to see people's hands and nails. It's a cool card, though. It's a cool warranty card. I like this. Yeah, but this leather case, I mean, this is a great travel case. You can put it obviously for it. A couple other watches in these spots there. Just flip and unflip. Take this out. It's nice. I like that. Alright, here we go. So, again, this is the Slate Blue. Man, what a beautiful dial. It's got a sunburst dial on here. All titanium. The bracelet feels very light, of course, being titanium. We'll get some of this stuff off of here. And I'm definitely excited to have this. Really nice clasp on the back there. It's well finished. Feels very good. Not too stiff, not too loose or anything, so that feels good. Looks like it has plenty of adjustment as well. So this is the solid case back with the swordfish on the back there. I'll show a little close-ups and some pictures of that later. I am also wearing the Travis that I opened the other day, so a couple good watches in this shot. But yeah, the bezel feels amazing. The case feels great. I love the cuts of the case. Very angled in certain spots. It just looks really good. Yeah, look at those angles there. It's fantastic. This crown does not have the lume on it. Some of the Zelos, I think some of the Zelos has lume on them, but this one does not. But it's a lume monster all over the dial, that's for sure. And you saw it in the intro, but we'll take a look at that later here as well. But yeah, I can't wait to review this one. Yeah, I'll get it sized up. Probably put it on another strap, maybe a leather strap, just because I like that kind of a contrast. But here are some shots of the watch itself, and of course wouldn't be Zelos without having a couple major lume shots right afterwards. So enjoy, and we'll see you soon once I get to review it. Thank you.